We're asking Choice experts what their best money-saving tips are. Here's what they had to say. What's your advice for how we can save on groceries?
My best cost of living tip would really be to consider buying home brands at the supermarket. You can actually save quite a lot of money by doing this. And Choice testing has also found some of the home brand products, they score just as well or even better than the more expensive products.
What's your tip for how we can reduce our cost of living?
If you drive a car that's fueled by petrol, look for a fuel app that's from your state. Usually they're supplied free, so you don't need to pay for it. You just download it and you can zoom into your particular area. It'll show you the cheapest petrol nearby.
What are some ways you can cut costs in the supermarket?
A great way to save at the supermarket is to avoid buying pre-cut fruits and veggies. If you can, buy the unprocessed originals instead. Those pre-cut ones in the bags can cost up to 5 times as much per kilo.
What's a great tip for saving money in the kitchen?
If you're wanting to roast vegetables such as potatoes, pumpkin, or even oven-fry hand-cut chips, cook them in the microwave first, and that will save you half the cooking time in your oven or reducing your energy costs in the kitchen.
You've got a couple of tips. Tell us about those.
For me, it's all about being disciplined about spending your money. Just resist those impulse buys, and it means that you've got more money when something comes along that you really do want or really do need. And also be smart about energy usage in the home. Don't turn on the heater if you don't really need to, and shop around for a good energy plan. The less you spend on energy, the more dollars you've got in the bank for stuff that you really want and need.
What's your money-saving tip?
Where I can, I buy secondhand. That's clothes, furniture. It's especially great for kids' clothes. Kids grow so quickly that when you buy things secondhand, they're often barely used. So you can pick up some great pieces, really good quality things for much less than you would pay ordinarily.
Tell us about how you can cut costs in the laundry.
You can save yourself a lot of money in the laundry by washing full loads, not partial loads, and washing cold water, not warm, because the biggest energy consumption of your washing machine is in heating the wash water. You can also save money by switching to a cheaper but high-performing detergent. Our reviews can show you which detergents perform just as well as the leading ones for a fraction of the cost.
How can we save on insurance?
Avoid the loyalty penalty. Insurers will always try and charge you more if you just renew with them without comparing more quotes. So if you're renewing your insurance, make sure you compare a few quotes and ask your insurer for a discount.
And what's my best money-saving tip? Make the most of your kitchen appliances. I love using my slow cooker. Not only is it really easy to use, but it's a great way to make the most of cheaper cuts of meat, and it's great for batch cooking. Check out more great money-saving tips at choice.com.au.